From Los Angeles to a worldwide audience, this is Boaz Power TV, where we take your life to the next level. Now, internationally known speaker and author, here's Boaz.
Hi, welcome to the Power Show. You are part of the Power Nation, and I'm so glad you're here. Because here we help you improve your attitude, your relationships, your finances, and your career as we take your life to the next level. And speaking of the next level, an attitude adjustment easily accomplished as I teach audiences all over the world in my seminars. When people ask you, how's life, how's business? One word with enthusiasm, unbelievable. Nobody will know what you're up to. When you do with enthusiasm, everybody will think you're doing great. This is episode number 242 on Boaz Power TV. I call this one, Watch Those Exit Signs. As I was driving some time ago on Interstate 5 in Southern California, I came to realize that the interstate highway system in the United States is an amazing engineering marvel. It was in 1956, the year my family immigrated to America, that President Dwight D. Eisenhower decided it was important to build a great highway system that would span the country. Since its initiation on June 29th of that year, the Eisenhower system of interstate and defense highways now totals some 160,000 miles. It has had a great impact on the nation. An integral part of that highway system is the signage. Without the tens of thousands of signs, it would be very difficult to get around. Those signs are bright and clear, and they give us good directions. We don't have to question their accuracy. We can depend on them. If a sign says that a certain exit is coming up in 2 miles, it doesn't mean 1 or 3 miles. That exit will appear in exactly 2 miles. So, as I was driving along Interstate 5 one day, I thought about all of the highway signs. Life is very much like a highway. We each travel on our own road. There are many signs along life's highway. Many signify opportunities and some signal warnings. It's the warning signs in life that I'm suggesting we should give more attention to. Now, not paying attention to the warning signs along life's road can lead to lost relationships, lost opportunities, a loss in finances, a loss in direction, in time taken away at the end of the journey. So let's pretend we're on the highway of life and take a look at some of the signs that I believe are important. First one, roadblock ahead. This one exemplifies the mental roadblocks that we set up on our own way. If we were on a real highway, roadblocks come in the form of concrete barriers. I would imagine that they are pretty heavy and would cause quite a crash. If one plowed their car into one of them, it would probably bring somebody to a screeching halt. Mental roadblocks that people set in their own way result from a negative attitude. Using words such as can't, hope, wish, try when referring to a new direction in life or an important project create mental roadblocks because they are not decisive. They can force us to exit off the road or possibly crash. Phrases such as, I'm doing this, are decisive. Take the roadblocks out of the way and allow us to use our creativity to drive our life forward. Here's another sign. Pay attention to your special relationships. This important sign on the roadway of life has a high price when disregarded and can definitely take us off course. No one is an island. We all need people around us who love us, who care about us, who make us feel special, and who encourage us. If you have gotten so caught up in your career that you've allowed your special relationships to suffer, it's time to heed this warning sign on your highway. Keep in mind that you won't see that sign too many times before it disappears, and it'll be too late. Set a specific time to stop working every day and to focus completely on your special relationships. Limiting a work day will actually, in the long run, make you more efficient because your mind will be focused on a limited amount of time. I also have a feeling that your journey will be much more pleasant. Here's another sign on your roadway of life: stop smoking. This warning sign is one that many people still disregard, and the price down the road is very high. My sister, may she rest in peace, was a wonderful, loving, creative person. She died from emphysema and heart failure 3-4 years ago. She was a chain smoker all her life. This is another one of those signs that will shorten your journey on the highway of life. Exercise regularly. Exercise regularly. We have unfortunately become a very sedentary society. I'm not suggesting that you should become an Olympic athlete. How about a walk 15 minutes twice a week? Start there and build up gradually. In order to lengthen your trip on the highway of life, this is so important. I'll admit to you that I don't enjoy walking on my treadmill for 30 minutes 2 or 3 times a week. I don't. But it's something important I can do to lengthen my journey. Start modestly and increase gradually. Here's another sign: eat healthy. Eat healthy. This warning sign doesn't have to be taken to an extreme. However, obesity in this country has reached a point of becoming an epidemic. I'm not suggesting you go on a diet. Simply make some wiser choices every day. A little moderation can go a long way. Another sign on the highway of life: live below your means. Live below your means. Where do we get the idea that it was important to keep up with the Joneses? The problem is that the Joneses are trying to keep up with everyone else, and the majority of people these days are broke. Living a little below our means is a very old idea. It comes from the wealthy Persian merchants of Babylon 6,000 years ago. They said, a part of all I earn is mine to keep. Saving a little money every day, even if we begin with $1 a day, can begin to change our lives in a great new route. Carrying a $100 bill, putting some 20s around the house can give your mind the idea that you are prosperous. It all begins with changing our relationship with money. And pay off some debts. My goodness, let's get out of debt. Stop charging, pay cash, get out of debt. Additional signs that are really important on the highway of life. So there you have it, my vision of the road signs along the highway of life that I believe we should all pay attention to and take action. Which one will you pay attention to today? So here's the affirmation for this episode of Boaz Power TV. It's a highway affirmation. You may want to write it down and read it morning and evening for at least 21 days. I am paying attention to the warning signs on my highway of life and taking some positive action today. I am paying attention to the warning signs on my highway of life and taking some positive action today. I'm glad you took positive action by watching this episode of Boaz Power TV. And if you like the ideas, please forward this to a friend. Suggest they go to my website, boazpower.com, and also subscribe to the free weekly broadcast of Boaz Power TV. You are special, you are unique, you are destined for greatness, and I believe you are now paying attention to the signs on your highway of life because I see it in you. You are a champion. Have a powerful day.
This has been Boaz Power TV. To comment, see other episodes, or to subscribe to this free broadcast, go to our blog at boazpower.com. That's boazpower.com. We're here to take your life to the next level.